Hi everybody, this is Mr. Jason. Welcome to Fun Friday Drawing. Today we're going to draw a penguin, kind of friend of the penguin. You're going to need paper, pencil, eraser, and something to color with later. I'm going to use this Sharpie just so that it is easier to see on camera. We're going to draw with our paper portrait, so it's going to be taller than it is wide. And we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to start in the middle of our paper, and we're going to draw a round shape. Just a simple round line. Kind of bend it out at the ends just a little bit. When you get those lines, we're going to come back up to the top and draw another curved line. It goes around the top of our original curved line and then comes back and stops. And since we liked that so much, we're going to do it one more time. Another curved line on top of that curved line. And on the top of the hat, that's what it is, a hat. We're going to just draw a bunch of little lines to make a little ball on top of the beanie. If you want to add lines or stripes to the hat, that's completely up to you. Coming back to the face of our penguin, we're going to draw a large semicircle. Semicircle means it's not quite a full circle. It stops at some point and doesn't become a full circle, just most of a circle. Then on these lines at the top, we're going to curve down and curve back up. We're going to draw some eyes for our penguin. We're going to draw two circles inside of these little spaces that are available. And then I like to color in the eyes and leave just a little white speck on the side. Bring it up closer so you can see what I mean. See how there's a little space left that I didn't color? That's just to make it look like it's shiny. Then between the eyes in this open area here, we're going to draw the penguin's beak. We're going to draw kind of a carrot shape, maybe a pepper, and then another one, another curved line below it. Now this is a fun penguin, not a realistic penguin, as you can tell by the hat. So we're also going to add a scarf. Draw a curved line from this point to this point. Bring those two lines down just a little bit. And another line, curved line, from one side to the other side. And then we want the two ends of the scarf blowing in the Arctic breeze. So wavy line there. Another wavy line under that. Connect them. And on the end of this scarf, we'll just add some short lines. And we're going to pick up from this point where that scarf ended and just come down and come back up to that flipper. And then curve line down. Over here, instead of pointing down, we're going to point this one up. And then come down and curve down to about the same point where this leg ends, or where this line ends. Come down. On the ends of both of these lines, we're going to draw a curved line back up and connect them with a slightly curved line that goes up. Beneath both of these legs, we're going to draw feet. Diagonal line, diagonal line, and then zigzag between them. Diagonal line, zigzag between them. We're going to come back up to the scarf. Draw a curved line that goes down towards the middle. Curve down, curve around back up, and meet back up there. So that's our penguin. But I said we're going to draw a penguin and his friend, or her friend. You can decide what your penguin is, boy, girl. Behind the penguin, we're going to draw the block of ice that they're resting on. So just draw a diagonal line. We're going to come down, come back across, back up by the leg, come down, connect that, and right now it looks like our penguin's on a surfboard, which would be cool, but was not the drawing I was planning. Alright, so we're going to draw a straight line down from this end, straight line down from this end, and then just kind of a wavy line all the way across. This ice flow is in the water. Let me just draw some curved lines around just to show that it's floating. What I also like to do to make it look like ice, because it wouldn't be a just straight, smooth cut like that, every now and then just add some straight lines up and down so it looks a little jagged. Now, moving up around the wing area, we're going to draw some more water in the background. Our penguin's not swimming, he's not underwater. This is just water that's behind him. And by drawing it up here, it shows some perspective, some depth to the drawing, so it's not flat. It looks like there's a front and a back. So this is the water in the background. We're going to do a wavy line behind his flipper, or her flipper. Pretend that you're still drawing it so it's even. You're going to pick up on the other side and draw that same wavy line all the way across off the page. We can add more wavy lines all around this just to show that our penguin is definitely floating in the Arctic Ocean. Well, technically, I don't want to give you the wrong science. Penguins all live in the South Pole, so that's the Antarctic Ocean. We're going to have an ice flow in the background. So draw a diagonal line, horizontal line all the way across to the side. Since this is ice, we're going to occasionally add some straight lines, just again to make it look a little bit jagged. And over here, don't want my right hand to get in the way, we're going to draw a curved line. A diagonal line. And then curve and bring it back down. Up here on this paw, we're going to add a couple of circles, or several. We're going to add 4. And then an oval. And curved lines for claws. At the top of the shoulder, we're going to come up with a little diagonal line, a little small ear, come across, another ear, come down. Sorry, I'm moving the paper a little bit so that I can show the whole thing, and a diagonal line that goes off the paper. Straight line down. Finish that paw with a curved line. A couple paws. Down here on the bottom near this ice floe, I'm going to draw a curved line for a foot here. Curved line for a foot here. Connect those. On this side of this foot, we're going to draw a curved line back up for that side of the bear's belly. And we're going to add some curved lines for feet. Now this particular polar bear will be well fed, so we're going to add a little curved line for the belly. The eyes that we drew for the penguin, we're going to draw similar eyes for our bear. Draw a circle, another circle, color them in, and leave just a little white space exposed. That noise in the background is my son pouring cereal. If you see these two eyes, we're going to come down for a nose. We're just going to have a downward facing triangle. You can color that in too. Straight line down. And our bear is smiling. We'll just draw a curved line for the bear's chin. Now the last thing we're going to do is, we've got a bunch of space up here in the air. It's in the Antarctic. We're going to draw some clouds, just draw wavy lines, kind of make this full space interesting. And you can add some little bitty circles for snowflakes coming down. They don't have to be where I'm drawing them. I'm drawing them rather quickly. But that will be our winter scene with a penguin and polar bear. I hope you enjoyed the art this week. If there's something that you would like to request, please let Ms. Viramontes know. She will get me an email or a text or something like that, and next week maybe we can choose your drawing. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.